cancer somehow, either directly or indirectly.
And we're going to talk about a great event that's coming up called Strike Out Cancer. And joining us now is Dr. Nicole Simone, the director of the breast cancer program at Thomas Jefferson University Hospital, and Melissa Demian, the owner and director of Ivali Events. I want to say good morning to you two ladies.
Thanks so much for joining us.
And Melissa, let's just start off with you. Why did you decide to become involved with this event, and why is it so important to you?
It kind of grew from a news story a few years ago about a cancer patient, and some coworkers of mine talked about her, and just her spirit was very infectious, and the fight that she was going through, and Striking Out Cancer kind of just grew from that. And we did it for a few years with the company that I used to be with, and it wasn't going on any longer. And I really loved the event, and the event was really successful, and I loved the work that we were doing with the event, so I wanted to bring it back. So now we're back this Friday.
Yeah, that's awesome. And maybe a little bit more about the event itself and kind of how you guys are handling the donation, the fundraising part of it.
Okay, it's a guest bartending event, so we have some local celebrities tending the bar for tips. We'll also have a pretty exciting a silent auction going on, and the proceeds are going to cancer research at Sidney Kimmel Cancer Center.
Yeah, and you can see some of the information right there on your screen there. Striking Out Cancer is the name of the event. Again, Friday, tomorrow, March 1st from 5 to 8 at Chickies and Pete's.
So I was so impressed because I was just reading through some of the bartenders who are going to be there. John Marks and Ike Reese, they're going to be there from WIP's afternoon show. Eagles reporter Molly Sullivan, Barrett Brooks, former NFL player and radio TV personality. This is really, really exciting, so that's good.
Very excited for it.
So as we were talking before, so many people have been impacted by cancer, whether they know someone or they don't. So what are some of the things that you think are going on right now in terms of research for that?
So we're actually doing a lot of exciting research at Sidney Kimmel Cancer Center, and I think one of the really important things is to bring cutting-edge research to our patients. One of the best things about pilot funds and about receiving donations is that we're able to start new clinical trials. We know our Philadelphia patients really well. We know what problems our Philadelphia patients have, and we can actually design clinical trials specific for our patient population. I've benefited myself from some of these trials, and with being able to start my own clinical trials, I've been able to now launch into R01 NIH funding with that. So the Sidney Kimmel Cancer Center is very excited to be able to partner with Melissa to work on this.
And you mentioned kind of those personal connections, Dr. Simone, and how important is an event like this where you can actually go and meet with some of the folks impacted by the disease, and then maybe explain kind of you guys can explain to those folks the research and the differences you're making as an organization and the unit there as well.
Yeah, absolutely. It's everything that we do today in cancer, that care that's standard that we offer our patients, is always a result of a clinical trial. So it has to start somewhere, and so it's so important to be a part of that spirit, and to really share that with the patients that we meet, and to be able to show them that we're bringing you the greatest and latest cutting edge that we can.
I love this. And Melissa, how long have you all been doing this?
Striking Out Cancer, I think the first year was 2015. We did it 2 years, took a couple years off, so this is the third year for Striking Out Cancer.
And do you have a fundraising goal, like how much you're trying to reach?
I believe in years past, and I don't remember exactly, I know we had raised over $8,000 before, so I really would like to reach that, or hopefully exceed it.
That's awesome. And Striking Out Cancer, again, 5 to 8 tomorrow, Chicken and Pete's. We'll have some of the information on our website as well, PHL17.com. But Melissa, Dr. Simone, we certainly appreciate you guys being here this morning. Best of luck in the event tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Such a great cause and impacts so many people. So fighting back against cancer any way we can.
Thank you
so
very
much. All right. Well, coming up for you.